Hello and welcome to Be Free Driving School. My name is Wendy Barker, and on this video we'll be looking at the new UK laws which come into effect in England, Scotland and Wales on the 4th of June 2018. This law will allow learner drivers to drive accompanied on the motorway. They must be accompanied by a fully qualified, approved driving instructor. Trainee instructors will not be allowed to. The car must be fitted with dual controls and display L plates. The purpose for this change in law is so that learner drivers can practice on the motorways before they pass their driving test. But it will not be a requirement for the driving tests. Motorways will not be tested on the driving test. We hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. Bye bye.